Hey everyone, Jake here for Extreme Terrain, and in this video we're taking a look at the Red Rock smoked tail light covers fitting 2021 and newer Broncos with factory LED taillights. The blacked out look is an ever popular one, and if you're looking to get that type of aesthetic on your Bronco in a way that's super easy and very inexpensive, then these taillight covers are going to be just your speed. They add a big dose of style for a pretty small price, making them an easy and affordable mod for anyone. Light covers have long been a staple modification, and for good reason. They're inexpensive, they're easy to install, and they flat out look cool. Such is the case with these tail light covers for the Bronco. As you can see, these are pretty dark, but not too much so. Smoked is maybe a bit of an understatement. They're not completely blacked out, but they are a little bit more than just your standard tint. So when the lights are off, you're not gonna see too much on the inside, but you'll still get plenty of light output when you do turn your running lights on, and especially when you step on the brake pedal, thanks to the fact that your taillights of course contain LEDs. Otherwise though, these bring a really slick, stealthy look to your rig, and if you've got a darker paint color, these are gonna make your taillights almost disappear. And if you've got a brighter color, the contrast is what you're after here. These are gonna fit the bill nicely too. Construction here is pretty simple. These are thermoformed smoked acrylic plastic, so they're all one piece. Now Red Rock uses original factory data from Ford to ensure that they fit perfectly over your factory taillights, so they cover the entirety of the lens, no need to mess with film or anything like that, and they come with double-sided tape already installed on the inside to make for an easy installation. The acrylic material is also impact resistant and it's quite strong, so these should keep their shape and coloring for a long time. Pricing wise, these will come in at right around $80, making them a pretty affordable modification. So if you like the look, this is a good price, and it's certainly much cheaper than completely replacing your taillights. Red Rock also offers a matching setup for your third brake light, so if you want to go with the fully tinted out look for all of your rear lights, you've got that option as well. Installation really could not be much easier. These are going to get a 1 out of 3 on our difficulty meter, and they should only take you about 15 minutes to complete the job. Most of that is probably going to be spent peeling off the backing for the tape and cleaning your taillights in preparation to put them on. Otherwise, these are going to stick right on. They're just going to clip and stick on the side, no modification needed. And of course, that means you can return your rig to stock and just pop these right off later on down the line if you need to do that. And now to show you exactly what that process looks like, let's hand things over to one of our XT customers.
We're doing a video Red Rock smoked tail light covers for a 2021 to 2023 Bronco with OME LED tail lights. This is the tools we need. We don't need a lot of stuff. We're not doing a removal, we're just doing an install. So we have the light covers. We have the microfiber cloths we're gonna need. And we have the alcohol wipes. So that's what we need. That's all our contents. That's basically all the tools. So we're gonna go step by step. We have basically 3 steps. So we have step 1, clean the outside of the tail light using the microfiber cloth. So we're gonna clean both tail lights. So, okay, then we're gonna take the alcohol wipes, and we want an alcohol wipe. Basically, the alcohol wipe is for the area that the 3M sticker is going to go on. The area where the 3M sticker is going to go on the sides. So we want to alcohol wipe that really good. So we'll do both tail lights. Yep. Okay, allow the alcohol wipe to dry. So it's in the process of drying. Peel back the red tape from the tail light. Okay, that's step 2. Step 3, place the outside of the tail light cover over the outside of the tail light hinge to cover towards the inside of the tail light. So watch your fingers there. You gotta get in that groove nice and tight. All right, you ready? Okay, you got in that groove nice and tight. Ready? Put a little little pressure where the pad was. Make sure the sticker's going to stick. Put a little pressure on the pad itself.
That's going to wrap it up here for our review and install of the Red Rock smoked taillight covers fitting 2021 and newer Broncos with factory LED taillights. Thanks so much for watching, and as always, for all things Bronco, be sure to keep it right here at extremeterrain.com.